Hi, my name is Tatiana, and today I'm gonna use this ground beef rabbit recipe to show you how we do recipe costing on Excel. Here I typed everything that I did by hand. Previously, I had to do everything first, and I'm gonna type on Excel exactly as I did by hand. So the formula that I'm gonna use, it's like unit times price per unit. So I'm gonna start with a ground beef. The recipe calls for 10 pounds, but the price is 3.74 per kilograms. So the units here and here has to match so we can cross cancel. So, but here it's not matching. But um, I did open brackets 10 pounds, close the brackets, times open bracket the price divide by, since we all know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds, so I did divide by 2.2, so the units now match and I can cross cancel. So I found $17. Here in Excel, I did the same. I just equal sign, start with the equal sign, open brackets. I click here, which 10 pounds, close brackets, times the price, and then divide by 2.2. Since I don't have here anywhere, I had to type it 2.2 to find the $17. So the onion I did a little bit different because the recipe calls for 4 medium onions. So here they give us a hint, which is like 4 onions equals 1 pound. So we know that this equals 1 pound. So when you do unit times price per unit, you can cross cancel, and then we find 50 cents. Same happens with the green pepper, which we have the recipe calls for 4 small ones, and here 4 equals 1 pound. So the units are the same, like 1 pound, 1 pound, so we can cross cancel. It's 73. That's what I did here on the formula. Always equal sign, open bracket, unit, close bracket, times price per unit. The other one is flour. So it's 0.25 cup and a quarter of a cup. So I have to calculate here because we know that something cup equals a pound, as they say here. So 4 cups equals a pound, and then I found the number here, and I calculate. Since it's pound, I can cross cancel, and I found 3 cents. Dry mustard, the same. Always I have to convert here because the units is teaspoons and pounds doesn't match, but they give you an idea, so I can calculate here to transform these 2 teaspoons in pound and then do the formula and find the price for dry mustard. Salt, the same thing. Beef soup base, I did the same as well. I need to find the unit in pound. Here they give a tablespoon, so I have to calculate here and to find. We know that 1 cup equals 16 tablespoons. So like that, I can find cups and pounds, as they say here. 2 cups equals a pound. So for water, it's free. I didn't have to calculate, just put 0 here. For cheddar cheese, the recipe calls for 10 cups and the price is 60.49 per kilograms. So the units doesn't match, so I had to calculate like for 10 cups, I know that something cups equals a pound. So they told me here that 2 cups equals a pound. So like this, I could find a pound the value for a pound, but it's not enough because the recipe calls for a kilo. So I did found that 1 kilogram is 2.2 pounds. So like that I can calculate and find the value for cheddar cheese. English muffin. For the English muffin, the recipe says that 25 the calls for 25 muffins, and here it says that it's a dozen, it's 89 cents. So we know that a dozen equals 12, but the open brackets 25 muffins, that's what the recipe calls, close brackets times open brackets the price 0.89 divide by, it's per dozen, divides by 12. Like this we can cross cancel muffins and then find $1.85. To find the total cost, we need to auto sum this. I did sum. You can see here in the formula bar, you can see like 17, all this I had to sum and to find $35.93. And for the 5% of waste, multiply this number times 0.05 total cost times 0.05, and then we find this. And total recipe, it's total cost plus waste. For the portion cost, we calculate the total recipe divided by, the recipe calls for 50 servings. So we do 36.67 divided by 50, which is H3. If the food costs 40% selling price, what's the new selling price? So we know that portion cost here, equal sign, open bracket, portion cost, close bracket, times, open bracket, 100 divided by 40, close bracket, and then you're gonna find $1.83. That's the new price. So yeah, that's how you do recipe costing on Excel. Thank you.